Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Rudy's chicken. I haven't had Rudy's in a while. It's probably been a year or two. The last time I tried them, they were trash. I'm eating it today because Kiana ended up buying me some, and we both agreed that the chicken wasn't so good. It hadn't been the same to me since 2009, 2010, like probably around that area, but yeah. So I'll be eating some Rudy's chicken today. It's all wings. I prefer wings. She know me so well. I have some fries. They have pickles, jalapenos, and they had some bread. I never eat their bread. And I also have a Bud Ice and some Big Peach. I'm probably not gonna drink the Big Peach. Now, I might not drink the whole thing of Bud Ice, so we'll see. It's been, this weekend has been pretty good so far. Oh, I can't really complain. Yes. Really started my birthday weekend, to be honest. It's been really interesting. I didn't realize my birthday was coming up this quick. So now I'm basically trying to get everything set up for my birthday. That makes sense. I'm trying to go to the boat in Louisiana. I want to go. Maybe I hit, but I'm just really going just to get out of the city, get out of Dallas, whatever, and just get around and just relax. So really I'm going, and yeah. Kiana is going too, so yeah, hopefully, well, I'm sure we're gonna enjoy ourselves, so it's gonna be interesting. Maybe go on a nice date or something, but yeah. It don't even taste like nobody's twisted. If anybody remember the banquet dinners that they used to have like in the 1990s, the one that came with chicken, that's what it tastes like. It don't taste like that. Banquet dinner don't taste like that anymore. It actually tasted pretty good for actual TV dinner, but I didn't expect Rudy's to taste like that. But this is what it tastes like. A dang banquet dinner. I prefer, if I had to choose, I'd probably prefer Henderson's over Rudy's. And I don't really like Henderson's like that anymore. Dang, it's kind of hot. I'll put it in the microwave. You know, it might have been better when if I would have got it when she brought it over here, but I didn't eat it when she brought it over here, so yeah. Probably not that good. I don't eat it. I don't like wasting food. But being honest, I didn't really do anything this weekend. Well, like do anything. I did go see my mom and my brothers. Went to the mall with my mom. That was pretty fun. And Kiana came over, so didn't really do anything spectacular. As for, well, I did enjoy myself with my mom and Kiana and my brothers, but I didn't do like something like going out of town or something like that. I didn't do bald head hoe stuff this weekend, so that makes sense. I've been shopping and stuff, like doing like deals and clearance deals, and I'm pretty sure the trick or treat, well, everything is not, well, nothing that I have is expired or whatever. I'm sure whoever, if the trick or treaters come to my house, they're gonna get a real trick treat. They're gonna get some big ass candy bars if they decide to come to my house. But I've been having my decorations up since probably since September, the beginning of September, on my door, and I'm sure somebody will come, but I'm sure nobody would like to come to the freaking third floor, even kids. We'll see how it goes. I'm not sure if I'll even be here. We'll be at home. I like that the peppers are hot. Dang. I mean, I'm still freaking burning. Ooh. But I'm gonna make somebody was saying on my last video that I made to make a collage of me burping. I'm gonna put that up. But for sure, if people is gonna like it, I'm gonna put it up. I thought I was trying to excuse me, I was trying to find Dolomite is my name, and they haven't even freaking brung it out yet. I thought it would be brung out by now, but I was going to Netflix and I seen it's not even come out to October the 25th. I wanted to watch that movie, well, I've been watching this show called David Makes Man. It's pretty good. I actually like it, even though, well, I think it comes on the Oprah network or whatever, but I watch it on my Fire Stick. So I've been watching it every week or whatever. It's getting pretty good or whatever. It's basically about a boy, a little teenage boy that stays in poverty, who basically hears voices or whatever. Not necessarily voices. He hears like somebody that got shot that was very close to him, like it's like almost like a father figure. Sometimes he's speaking in his head. Or his like just his ego, not necessarily his ego, but his intercept talk sometime. And his mom has the same thing going on with us as well. It's really good. It's basically him trying to distinguish if he want to do bald head hoe shit from his environment, or if he's trying to like basically go on a good track to go to a higher learning school or whatever, if that makes sense. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's getting pretty good. And I'm just like, I'm at the episode, I think episode 8 or whatever, and it's like, what the heck going on? It's like really good though. I'm gonna try to tell y'all everything that actually go on in the actual series, but it's pretty good if you're into that type of stuff. It's not really anybody that's popular y'all can think of. Well, I've seen some known faces before. I've seen before some pictures. My mom. So I can't remember what she played on, but I think I've seen her somewhere before. Hey, this one got more freaking press than anything. What the heck? That one don't look right. I'm trying to figure out how do they have another bone? Kind of weird shit to the side. I don't know where the hell they be getting their meat, but that, like, it was freaking retarded. Kind of hot. Well, it's really hot, but I like it like that. So me and Kiana, I think, last week, ended up trying a Hotpot place down here. And I like to say it was horrible. It was like, it wasn't necessarily, well, yes, it was horrible because they double charged me and took it out my account like twice. It was already somewhat expensive, and they charged me twice. They messed up my freaking receipt because I didn't get some of the stuff, and they actually added on my receipt. The food was just like really weird. I never tasted some of the things, and it was just like, it's just not what I prefer. We was dipping the stuff in the little stuff on the little hot plate in a bowl, and it was like, what the heck? I think we got the wrong meat or whatever, and it didn't seem like the waitress was really no help. So it was like, what the heck? It was like berries and stuff, and then it was some kind of stuff that tastes like licorice. My mom said it was something else, but it was very interesting. I'm glad that I actually tried it. I don't think I would necessarily try it again, if that makes sense. At least at that place. Just really interesting. And then I think that was the first time I tried sake. They gave it to me hot. It just tastes like some hot wine. I was like, what the heck? think I'll try it again at all. Dang, they had the baby ones, and then they had the one that was just like abnormal chicken wings. Make up your mind, sis. I be wanting to go to the South so bad and just try different food places or whatever. But it seems like every time I get something like down there or whatever, South of Dallas or whatever, I always be trash. This Rudy is not necessarily trash, but it's like not what it used to be. But then again, like in my area, I'll just be like driving by some places and I realize I haven't tried out a lot of places. Like I always order the same things or whatever when I go out to eat. Or I go to the same places every time I go out to eat. It's the same thing. And I'm looking around here, it's a lot of places that I should try. I have to start looking at the Google reviews, I guess. I did, like last week, probably like 2 weeks ago, I went to a Japanese restaurant. It was by my house and it was shockingly good. I had some glass noodles and stuff. It was like really good. Well, at first, I didn't really like it. And then I had to reheat it. After I reheated it, like I ate it for leftover, it was really good. But it's like 5 minutes away from my house. It's a lot of stuff in my house. I'm just so stuck on my ways. I want to try to eat the same thing. Well, for this week, probably, I have everything sitting out there to prepare. I'm gonna, I'm so distracted by this, the wind blowing against my dang decorations on my door. This week, I'm gonna make some, well, the majority of the week, I'm gonna make some chili beans. This is gonna be my first time making it. My mom told me what all to put in it. I'm just gonna make it so I can basically I'm gonna eat it for dinner today, hopefully, and then I'm gonna take it to work the whole week. I'm trying to be more efficient with my money sometimes. I'm trying to save up a little bit, but and plus because the food places are over there by my job are trash, and I only get a 30-minute lunch, so I gotta do what I gotta do. So yeah, I'm gonna be I've been doing that for the past month. So I'm gonna try some chili beans with some cornbread, putting a lot of meat in it. See how that goes. Sure, it'll be good. Last week I got really tired of that crap. I was just eating chicken and dumplings. Got tired of that, and I made stew, just random things or whatever. I think that I can make a big pot of and stuff. My mom suggested that I make like 2 meals or whatever, 2 different meals. So I might make the chili beans and cornbread and all that good stuff, and then I may make some to be more healthier. I may make some boiled rice, not boiled rice and chicken, or baked chicken and boiled rice. Just have it on the side. I'm not for sure what else I'll put in it, but yeah, might have chicken and rice on opposite days or whatever, that I'm not eating the chili beans. See how it goes. I'd be like really tempted to actually, at my job they have a little a store where you can like purchase stuff or whatever. I'd be so tempted to go in there and buy stuff, but all they have there is trash, and it's like $5 for a damn jumbo burger. Not jumbo burger, jumbo burrito, where you can get it at the 7-Eleven or any corner store for like $1.99. So I'm like, this is like highway robbery type of stuff. So nah, and it makes you boo boo everywhere and stuff. So nah. I be trying, but and the candy bars are like $2 there. So yeah, I'm trying to bring all my snacks to work, so I don't have to go anywhere, waste my little 30-minute lunch break, or even buy something from that trash store. Jalapeno is really juicy, I can say that, and hot. Oh, I don't know why they load so much bread on here too. I don't think nobody eat the freaking bread when they go to like Henderson Chicken or Rudy's. Yes. Waste of that money. I don't know what the heck's been going on, but lately when I've been at work or whatever, I think I need to take some vitamins. Like I have to get up literally and stretch because my bones will be like cracking and stuff. And I'll be like, what the heck? And that's because I literally sit down in the same chair for 8 hours and don't do nothing really. But I was never like that at any other job, so I don't know if it's just stress or what. I don't know. I don't know where the heck she found this at, cause like every time, like down here, I can't find Big Peach really nowhere. Like that's like one of my favorite stores. The only places I can find is like hood stores and stuff. They sell Bud Ice down here, but they don't sell like Big Peach. Like what the heck? So I guess she went to a hood store to actually find the Big Peach or whatever. So I can't really find it down here like that. Like one of my favorite sodas. I'm gonna save this. Save the Big Peach. So this is like that Big Peach, Tease and Treat. I like ginger ale. I'm starting to get played out of it. Yeah, I drink it like so much, but it's like one of my favorite sodas. I'm gonna save it. Lately, I haven't, like, I guess since all the sweets I actually have, I don't really feel a need to actually drink or eat anything sweet. The most I eat, like, my mom gave me some cherries, chocolate covered cherries or whatever. And I snack on those at work. And I have grapes, cucumbers, kale, just eat that. I don't know what's going on. Don't really like snacks like Snickers, Reese's anymore. I eat it, but it kind of disgusts me at times. Oh yeah, finally. Another one of my favorite drinks is eggnog. They finally got it in stock or whatever. I didn't think they were gonna sell it this soon because I was looking on the grocery app. I was like, I was just scrolling or whatever and seeing if I could get anything for a cheaper price or if I need anything. And lo and behold, they had some eggnog. I was like, what the heck? I googled something that was like eggnog don't come out till later on in October, and lo and behold, it's like I got those groceries like October the 5th, 4th. I was like, the heck? But I did check the expiration date. It don't expire until November, so that's good. Excuse me. I think they got these dang wings out the dang banquet TV dinners. So thanks, man, for buying the extra food and drink. I'm surprised that you actually went out to Rudy's and got it, but hey, they always have a line. They came too popular or whatever, and I guess they said if they make the food how they want it to be made. Yeah, I need to figure out where the hell this Big Peach came from too. I'll buy a whole pack, but I'm not just gonna pay no $6-7 for it. I'll buy a whole pack though. So I search on Amazon and see. Whew. My allergies have been messing up like crazy. I guess it's after the whole climate change or something since it's fall officially. disregard the do-rag or whatever. I did my hair yesterday. I'm just trying to keep it on or whatever. I still have the clamps in right now, so yeah. Been wearing a do-rag and hat for the past 2 days. So yeah. Whew. I guess the chicken was extra crispy too. I'm just really shocked. It actually reminds me of banquet dinners. Oh, excuse me. I think I'm officially done. I'm probably is it crazy? Well, never mind. It is crazy or whatever, because the little boy that actually stays in my apartments or whatever. Well, he's not a little boy. I think he's a little kid or whatever. Because he's like 19, 20 or whatever. And he's like 21, 22. All he do is just drink beer and sit on the patio. I'm assuming he go to work or whatever, because I always see his badge on when I see him. Excuse me. But all he do is sit and drink beer on the patio. Like, what the heck? You have a whole girlfriend and 2 kids. But it's understandable. The apartments the whole 400, 500, 600, I say 400 apartments that's in my area is 1-bedroom apartments, and they all 500 square feet. So I'm assuming if you have 3 other people with you, you need your own space or whatever. But dang, every time I see this nigga or dude, he is drinking on the patio. I can't wait till I get my own house so I can do that. So I can just sit up on like the patio with my patio chairs and have a drink or whatever. I can't picture doing it on a patio like over here, because that's everybody just looks and be nosy. I'm one of the people, but yeah, I'm probably gonna go take my beer and just go lay down, I guess, and chill or whatever. But hopefully everybody's having a great weekend. Tomorrow's Monday, and I don't feel like doing this crap all over again. But on the good side, some people are off on Columbus Day on the 14th. So hopefully you guys enjoy your weekend, the rest of your weekend, and enjoy your Monday and have a great week. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.